waiting for the release of the just concluded WAEC, if you're one of those waiting for the release of the result, there is a breaking news that just broke now that WAEC has announced dates that they will release the results. I will just read it out for you. The West African Examination Council has officially announced the results that the result of the 2024 West African School Certificate Examination will be released on August 5th, 2025. Just check, and it's on Monday. Students across West Africa region are awaiting their result, which will be available online and through designated WAEC offices. School pursued the report. This announcement marks the end of a tense waiting period for candidates who sat for the exams earlier this year. The announcement read, WAEC has officially announced that the WAEC 2024 result will be out on Monday, 5th of what? August. I hope you are following. While apologizing for the delay, WAEC has assured that all candidates who participated in the examination that 99.5% of the N.H.S Senior Secondary Certificate Examination results are ready and will be available online soon. So your WAEC results will be out in a few days' time. Of course, follow our YouTube channel. If you want us to help you to check your WAEC results, just let me know. If you want us to help you, if you don't know how to check it, you want us to check it for you and send it to you, you just let us know right now.